Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Make Up Your Time with Julia. Guys, did you see me? Can you see me? Hey, let me come close to the eye detail. There we go. So guys, if you want to know how I put this look together, just stay tuned and watch me step by step how I put this look together. Okay, let's get started. I'm using Revolution Ultimate Eye Base. Just dab it down. The palette I'm going to use is also Revolution. It's reloaded. So I take that Cut Crease. That black stuff I have on my eye is called Lazy Cut Crease. So I just want to try it and see how it's going to work. I have used it to cut crease, sometime last year, summer or something. So I just used that just to direct me where I want to cut my crease. But the brush I used sadly was too big. I supposed to use this flat brush. Anyway, so I'm going to take a second shade now. I just dab it down like reddish shade. I just dab it down close to my brow bone area. Then I will blend. Dab, dab, dab first, then blend. That's what I'm just doing all around. Okay. What I do to this eye is exactly what I'm going to do to the other eye. I'm still blending, guys. I'm still blending. As I am blending, that green shade, I'll call it khaki green shade, is fading. So, and then I went back in with that precise brush, dipping in. Now, I want to cut my crease, but at the same time, I don't really want to cut my crease, but I just want to make sure that area is clear. So I'm not using what I use on my eye base, which is a Ultimate Eye Base from Revolution. Just want to use it to make sure it's all clear. Like a fine line, if you wish. Anyway, so that's what I'm just trying to achieve here. Something that look like a cut crease, but I don't really cut my crease, like heavily cut my crease. So of course I still have the Ultimate Eye Base on my eyelid. Okay, still wet. Now I will blend between the area the wet base is and my outer V, just that area. Just want to blend it together to make sure there is no dodgy stuff. So that's our setting powder from our brand. The shade there, I believe, is Neutral Light. When I do a cut crease or when I have a wet base on my eyelid, I have to set it. One, because of my hooded eye. Otherwise, the shimmer I'm going to apply, it will not last long. So once I've set it now, then I will not go ahead and apply shimmer. So I'm using this palette, of course, is very famous in my hand now. I would say Calm is a collab from Revolution. So I take that golden shade, just apply it on my lid. This will not last me a whole day. I swear by this method. Then I will use that second shade just to blend it between the matte shade and the shimmer, the golden shimmer shade. Okay, we want a fade, all the way fade. Everything blend together like a married couple. So again, I'm repeating the process on the other eye. Okay. So it's not coming now as if I have, I've done a massive cut crease. So I'm not using a Scandal eye from Rimmel. Is jet black eyeliner. I want that on my waterline. Then I'll take this shade I started with before. I'll first dab again to get the maximum pigment. Of course, I've done my base. When I mean base, I've done the complexion part of the whole look of camera. Then I'll use that shade to blend just my under eye. I've done my waterline. Then I will not do my under eye. Do both eye exactly the same. So the way the cut crease kind of, go forward, I don't need inner corner. So I'll take this art brush. Then I use one of our water activated eyeliner. The shade is Lime. It's pigmented. You just need water to activate it. There you go. You got a liquid eyeliner. I just want to give myself extra work. That's the only way to explain this, because the look, it was good enough, but I just want more. I'm that girl who want more. Then I went to my inner corner area. I need a little bit of cat eye. Just draw, you know, kind of stretch. Just a little line. Then I use a Wet n Wild mascara. So this is just elegant lash glue from our brand. I just use that. Then I apply lashes off camera. Now I'm just doing lip liner. Just line my lip, mash it up together. Now this is from Primark. It's matte liquid lipstick. Just apply it. I deserve a red today. For some reason, I'm leaning towards red. I never like red lippy. Never. But now, here I am with red lippy. Guys, I'm going wild. Hey, wahala don't bust too. Hey, this is not the final look, guys. I'll go close to the camera again so you can see. Here we go, guys. I'm good. Julia is dancing. Oh, here we go again. Anyway, guys, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Share. Follow me on Instagram. I shall see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.